President of Myanmar India Trade Chamber of Commerce Tamu Kale Kalewa resents checking of Myanmaris travelling illegally to Manipur at every Assam Rifles checkpost. State gears up for a Grand Mera Hokchongba Festival 2018. Plans underway for grander celebration next year. State observes Global Iodine Deficiency Prevention Day 2018. Health Minister L. Jayantakumar urges people to know the benefit of iodine intake. And Marine community celebrates pre-harvest festival Lam Kalai with traditional fervour and gaiety. Kurumjuri, good evening. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News and I'm Victoria Rajkumari bringing you the top stories. President of Myanmar India Trade Chamber of Commerce Tamu Kale Kalewa U La Mong has lamented that Myanmaris travelling legally to Manipur are being detained at every Assam Rifle checkpost in the name of verifying their passports, which he opined is detrimental in bringing good ties between the two countries. He was speaking during a business meet held at Myanmar Tamu DC office, attended by delegates of Myanmar and India yesterday. Speaking to media, Mount stated that Indians coming to Myanmar are verified only once at the checkpoint and after that they are allowed to travel freely without any hassles. He expressed discontentment that Myanmaris travelling to India after ICP check go through various checkpoints at More Gate number 1, followed by Khudeng Thabi, Technopal and many more. He complained that Myanmaris are detained and asked for passport and visa xerox copies at every checkpoint by the Assam Rifles. Expressing hopelessness that such conducts will do nothing to improve the relation between the two countries, Mount urged both the Indian and the state governments to look into the plights facing the Myanmaris tourists. Attending the meet, convener of Act East Policy Manipur government R.K. Sivachandra assured of resolving the matter after holding a meeting with Chief Minister Nongthom Biren, including IG and DIG.
First time register and custom and immigration ICP. We arrived to gate number 1. At the time, army called our passenger and to take photo. And next time, Kuratambi, same. And after then, Technopal, same. We have problems. So many times checkposts. Army camp number 1 gate. They can contact to the other gate, other checkposts by phone or wireless.
MLA Sugnu constituency K. Ranjit has criticized Chief Minister Nongthom Biren as a nervous and indecisive Chief Minister who babbles whatever he desires. The MLA was speaking during a one-day political conference organized by Kumbi Block Congress Committee at Kumbi Borayangbi Thongkhong Bazaar today. He termed it insensible for Chief Minister N. Biren to question Congress what it has done in the last 15 years and for alleging it of dividing hills and valley inhabitants. MLA Ranjit mentioned that even N. Biren himself was a minister during the Congress rule in the state. He asserted that cabinet meetings are now possible in hill districts only because of the developmental works undertaken by the Congress government during its 15 years of rule. Referring to Chief Minister's earlier statement that politics should be reality-based and not mere lectures, MLA Ranjit asked if lathi charge and firing tear gas shells to students during the Manipur University crisis was a reality of the BJP government. The MLA also refuted the recent claims made by BJP spokesperson who stated that the construction of Ras Leela platform inside Kangla was started during the Congress governance. He said Congress government took up renovation of an existing platform into construction of dance performance platform in front of Sri Sri Govindaji temple so that any community can present dance performances. MLA Ranjit accused the BJP government of renaming the site and reiterated that construction of Ras Leela platform is unknown to Congress government during its rule. He urged the present government not to use misleading words. MLA Bishnupur Govindas Kanthaujam, President of Kumbi Block Congress Committee in Bhagirat, former Minister in Mangi, MLA Lilong Mohammad Abdul Nazir, MLA Wabagai Mohammad Fazul Rahman, former Thanga Constituency Minister T. Mangi Babu and many Congress leaders attended the conference.
Community hall Madu Hazana design the workers Haraba. Dance performance platforms here. Masi, honorable commercial minister, and Masi consent of Mutunda. And now Adumba Raslina, I have a Kalima Commander Concept. See the Manipur, the Dati, Kurimaki, Commander Dati, Fruits in Sigi, culture, tradition. We abang will not be Pampoda. Come and win the Mother Maya. I got the transport from it. The famous platforms here. Divya Saramari. Rasina, I would be BJP on home Malenari. Manipur Highway.
Arrangements are all set for Mera Hokchongwa Festival at 2018. Art and Culture Commissioner M. Lakshmi Kumar has assured of a grander celebration of the festival by making a proper budget from next year. Addressing media personnel during a press meet attended by representatives of state-level organizing committee on Mera Hokchongba and the Art and Culture Department in front of Kangla Uttara today, M. Lakshmi Kumar intimated that under the instruction of Chief Minister N. Biren, Mera Hokchongba state-level organizing committee will be instated as the permanent body so that the festival may be celebrated in a grand manner every year. He also mentioned that the organizing committee will be a stakeholder in setting budget for the festival. Lakshmi Kumar stated that the Chief Minister has instructed the Deputy Commissioners of the Hill District to take active roles for successful celebration of the festival. Participants attending the festival will be accommodated at the dormitory of the Art and Culture Department and Maharaja Bodhachandra College. Speaking to media, member of the organizing committee, Longjam Ratan Kumar said, a rally to be participated by inhabitants of both the hills and the valley will be taken out from Sana Konung to Kangla main gate on October 24th. He appealed to everyone to participate in the celebration without any community-based discrimination.
Chingi Deputy Commissioner Singh, we am active role low haina dung ba poktak lay government organizing committee level lagi maru goiba koi department sing security ki media ki ate mai magi maru goiba line department sing this koi shina bakre lay and ki we na koi expect to basi mi yandra da chom gum de koi ching tam tharaga participate torgadra chief sing lakadra na koi du mai na khanjai thang sei dagi di magi chap chaba budget am thamaga adagi akhoi nangai de khoi na committee se he seme organizing committee se function toram dai mamang se ju handaki su ado khoi honorable chief minister ki paukta makha da mathang se degi mase permanent body moina thamaga adagi budgeted expenditure na toraga armai to ba adu mayam chawa ware khoi logre.
Members of Leshemba, Kunthokpa, Ahanba, Liklam, Likun, Liba, Lobakanglei Park carried out cleanliness drive at Chinkai Pukri, popularly known as Nungseng Ikon of Kangla Laifam Len today. The historic pond was dug during the reign of King Marjid from 1813 to 1819. Taking part in the event, President of the association, Thongbam Chauba Kuman, lamented that the sacred pond has been polluted due to reckless behavior of some individuals. He asserted that the cleanliness drive was conducted with the firm belief that the deities will restore innocence and purity in the minds of the people. A team led by Chairman of Indian Red Cross Society, Imphal West District Branch, Dr. Koijam Arun Kanta, provided first aid facilities to the 70 volunteers taking part in the drive.
Pukhi asi yana taru tana sieng na lema tamda aikoi khuna ji leba kanglisa singi thamoi da sieng wa sum lakani aduga leiba ki yaitong phamdom ba makhoi makhoi ki thamoi ji asum sieng laktuna iram nam khuna ase nongman ta nongma di mara ing tappa panana ba pan leba haidu oi jamta masi aikoina sieng na ba pukhi asi sieng na thamdom ki thamna no pandom da khoi pukhi ji singdok jabani.
Technopal District Police observed Police Commemoration Day at Technopal District Headquarters today. The day is observed to pay tribute to the deceased personnel who lost their lives on the decideful night on October 21st, 1959, when Chinese armies attacked and killed many Indian police. Additional Superintendent of Police K. Robinson, Sub-Divisional Police Officer IPS Sandeep Gopal Das, Deputy Superintendent of Police Thomas Tokchom, Sub-Divisional Police Officer Technopal N. Suraj, More Police OC Letko Hau Bapai, Technopal Police OC John Lamkang and many police personnel paid general salute to their deceased brave counterparts on the occasion. More Police Station also paid general salute to the 2 police personnel who were killed in an ambush on More Police on December 15, 2016. The More Police team was on its way to offer security vigil during the official celebration of Technopal becoming a district. (182) Battalion BSF Headquarters, Koirangai today organized a cultural program to pay tribute to Manipuri BSF personnel who lost their lives on duty. The cultural program was organized in relation to BSF Martyrs Mini Marathon held yesterday. Cultural performances by BSF, Women Constable and BSF family members highlighted the event. Sub-Inspector of Wangoi Police Station detained allegedly assaulted Zahir Khan, 25 years, son of Mohammad Mazuruddin from Yangthang Tarahai Kongjil, while in civil dress under the influence of intoxication. Family members of Zahir Khan and members of Mohammedan Social Youth Club Yangthang Tarahai held a press meet in this regard at Manipur Press Club today. Father of the alleged victim, Mohammad Fazuruddin, expressed disappointment at the conduct of a police personnel whose utmost duty is to safeguard the public. Fazuruddin intimated that his son Zahir Khan went for medical consultation yesterday at residence of Dr. Salim posted at Samuro PHC in Mayang, Imphal. He said, after the consultation, Zahir Khan went to buy the prescribed medicines at the pharmacy behind Yangthang Lairanbi last night around 8 p.m. Fazuruddin stated that a game of dice was going on near the pharmacy. Police rushed at the spot and disrupted the game, arresting 3 persons including Zahir Khan. Fazuruddin alleged that his son was brutally assaulted on charges of gambling and extorted around 9,500 rupees on him for his treatment. Strongly condemning the incident, Fazuruddin urged the relevant authority to take barefooted action against SI Tikin of Wangoi Police Station within 5 days. He warned of intense agitation in association with CSOs and the people of the state if the police personnel is not dismissed.
Ma hidak phunthai ngaure sibinda lakpani laiba kasteban laimen arbiching sidi ma uniform sele nang dagaw thabani hayu hadana masi phajalaga mafamduda masi photo copy the photo copy matungda sar aidi sutta thadi aidi patient ai hidak laiba lakpani si sang leire haidan utpasi man mawa lobi khidre the mayam the phubidre ai chano pasita to phubire adumi toraga masi gypsy da hakola pure lambi sida lakna mana harani haidana nang sengna hayu haidan kak singaga nomai kap kone to pasida constable amana ngakthok pasida nomai si maka taraga adumi don mai punsi si kalhobani hang mafam sidida mase lisei jina phubu se akwa pangna phure mangon phubire police custody da pusalakanda police ground sidida sasan phubu tona mase phubire makaso nang lagaw thaba mini hayu lagaw thaba mini hayu phubire ado mangon da jaw paisa se masing kaya no hay ai lupa lising bapan ga sama mo dumi jaw ai lupa lising tara bapan piraponi habis da man sukta tabidre mase ado ka mating ni saduna phubu si heman kidna ai san pase loire masase.
Proscribed Party, Maoist Communist Party, Manipur, in the press release stated that even India Union Minister of External Affairs for State has resigned with the inception of Me Too campaign, a social media movement for crime against women. The banned party condemned that an MLA in Manipur accused of a rape remains free with no charge sheet against him and that the government chose to remain silent. The party asserted that it will never be partial when it comes to a rape case. A team of Imphal West District Police under the supervision of SP Imphal West H. Jogesh Chandra today conducted combing operation in connection with the bomb blast that occurred near Ibudho Moirang Pokpal Community Hall in Nagamapal last evening around 7 p.m. The team led by additional SP Operation Imphal West Police Krishna Tombi conducted combing operation in and around Thangal Market and verified around 1,150 individuals since 3 this afternoon. 37 individuals were picked up for further verification by the city police. Forest Kaching Range recovered nets used for trapping birds from various parts of Thoubal and Kaching district. The seized nets were set ablaze in front of Forest Kaching Range office at Kaching Lamkai today. Range officer N. Monal said bird trappings at lakes in Thoubal and Kaching districts have decreased after the seize. He warned of 3 years in imprisonment and a fine of 25,000 rupees to poachers, stating that migratory birds coming in the state have significantly decreased since last year. The range officer appealed for public support in saving the migratory as well as other indigenous birds of the state. Diesel Auto Driver Association, Saungbung and Hairok Unemployed Tata Magic and Wingis Owners and Drivers Welfare Association in different press releases extended their solidarity to United Committee Manipur UCM's mass rally on October 31st. Manipur joined in observing Global Iodine Deficiency Prevention Day 2018. National Health Mission Manipur and the Directorate of Health Services Manipur jointly organized the event at IMA Hall in Lamphel. Speaking in the event, Health Minister L. Jayantakumar said, people continue to suffer from iodine deficiency diseases which are easily preventable due to mere negligence and appeal to be aware of the benefit provided by iodine intake. Director of Health and Family Welfare Services K. Rajo, State Mission Director N. Bandana and Senior Regional Director of the Health and Family Welfare Services L. A. Singh attended the event.
Tungda lakadab generation gi etik mama gi phanabagini macha gi phanabagini hadana masida khoi pesa mayam thadiri mayam jingsi kaisu leitabada iodine watpuna maram modana akhona irai laine prevent tobe yabada akhona cheksil hawdapuna maram modana iodine watpata gi desora thokuna maram modana akhona tungda achu makhal gi yumbire nam orkani khan mangang se mamai garba manungda dum mong tar doine buka akhoi prevention is better than cure hai ko the prevention is important, but prevention is important. Precaution is better than prevention.
It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Deputy Speaker Konkham Ravindra urging local residents to safeguard the Loktak Lake. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. Deputy Speaker Konkham Ravindra has asserted that the people in and around the Loktak Lake have a great role in safeguarding the lake. He was speaking to media today while attending an awareness program on preservation of Loktak Lake organized by Loktak Day Celebration Committee ahead of the 23rd Loktak Day observance to be held at Komla Khong Chingthi in Imphal West on October 24th. Dustbins and blankets were distributed to fishermen on the occasion. Ravindra opined that various initiatives of the government for preserving the lake have not yet yielded proper results due to lack of support from the local residents. He urged people to join hands in safeguarding the world-famous Loktak Lake.
Loktak tariba imai ben singsa ahalamanda dustbin amadi kambalama dustbin na karigino habda makoina daily use toriba polam kya Loktak ta langthadna pollution sumba tholi ba kholi mem se sumba awareness pidana Loktak kan dabe yade phatak thodi do dustbin na phalang hapiraga amu yumda pukhatna ba kholaga amu dustbin dong porak pa amu haigapada na yum hanba dong pubi khiba masida Loktak ta tabe yade khote na khogi ek su mem leirimne du yadaba khotaba khar leibadagi lairaga su loktak se kaminada ba yade na mosal ba khorse liba le mam lai mam se nokhoi na ju protect to bi oduga nokhoi tariba loktak tanti ki kubdare ba nga pha kumdare mam si ju na na ba khona ba na awareness people se ngasi chacharubun.
Taking part in the event, President of Loktak Day Celebration Committee, Komlang Kong, Asim Prem Kumar, asserted that the committee has been safeguarding the lake since a long time. He mentioned that Loktak Day is celebrated on the full moon day of Mera month in the Manipuri lunar calendar every year in admiration of innate beauty and significance of the lake. Fishermen expressed gratitude to Deputy Speaker Robindro for providing them with dustbins and blankets.
Mayam laktan kota tau bije loktak kita yang ning betungjai karena mula ka tau je yang loktak che yang kan men ho ono je yang nungai je chai khuding gi chumai na chum ma tau bi je yang phagani
loktak imasi lu na na thamba clean oiba matam changna loktak si mut ki kidra haiba gi mi pai ba leiba khoida adu loktak si mutanaba kamai tongna khoi masen kanminaba yabagi haibagi mayam de aware oinaba gi mak sinjaban hauji phobodadi mosalakna de heli adubo mosalakna henta ga ju khoina aware oiba awareness si sum leppa taraga di hena thuna mosalakpa thuna mangi ba yabagi khudong chaba leibadagi kita ju matam changna kanba ngamnaba gi damak akoi leiba lenga asina su tabi naba tokjabane.
Entrance exam for admission to Manipur University MA Adult Education will be held on October 27th at Social Science New Block. Candidates can collect their admit cards from the Adult Education Department tomorrow onwards. Maring community today celebrated the first day of Maring pre-harvest festival, that is Lamkalai Kumoi, with traditional fervor and gaiety today. Lamkalai is a festival of protecting the environment and maintaining it neat and clean. Villagers cleaned up their surroundings and performed Maring War dance, part of the celebration. Speaking in the event organized by Sadang Senba Maring Village, MLA Kairao constituency, Laurembam Rameshwar appealed to the hilly inhabitants to plant varieties of trees and preserve the environment. Rameshwar lauded Maring community for keeping alive the Lamkalai Naitang festival. He appealed not to be merely contented with the festival, but to put into practice the essence of the festival in the daily life. The MLA also calls on the villagers to opt for organic farming.
Manipur manungda lariba maring village toan village singda organic way posting thara kana numit da khoye chanang semra thaba phunan thaba yai phako thaba korong maring thamba di chandel toan masi da thari posting ase hari festival da khoye uthok no bi timing ama organic way posting ase koi Manipur da maring jati loriba koi khudam moina Manipur ga scenery ba thumok se ayam maring jati buthok sigumba koi contribution society tori me amje hari festival da adu uthok pa gi tanja lor kan da khoye competition aitar village ki
Half marathon entitled Sangai Run will be held this time as a part of Sangai Festival celebrated every year to promote tourism in Manipur. The race will cover 21 km from Sendra to Loktak, 10 km in and around Imphal City and 7 km around Mao Town. Director of the State Tourism Department, W. Ibohol, launched the half marathon organized by Oreb Sports at Hotel Grande in Chigmerom today. Athletes can start online registration from tomorrow. Speaking at the launch, Director W. Ibohol stated that the half marathon aims for a healthy society. He also stated that this year's Sangai Festival will kick off from Kaibul National Park. Concluding event will be held at the main venue in Hapta Kangjebong. Various indigenous sports events will be held at Komalam Park, while cultural and entertainment items will be hosted at Lamboy Konangkong. The director also disclosed that a library will be opened during the festival where old used books may be accumulated. He highlighted that various events including Japanese sumo, Kathakali, Odisha dances, etc. will be performed during the festival and that large number of foreign tourists, cultural teams and stalls are expected in the festival.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯠꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯃꯎ ꯐꯕ Laina Tina Singna Sangdaba Yam Hena Mapangal Kanba Aduguma Naha Oinabagi Adugumi Pandamni Handaki Sahisida Anoba Hapsalakpa item Kara Hiragadi Akogi library ama develop Tonaba Manipurgi like Papa Kogi Lila Sulabang Nava Sata Sati Mayam Singsigi Karada Sumateng Oinanaba Sanga Yembo Lakpomatamda Isa Isagi Yum the Labiriba Season Nadraba Yum Kogi Lyric Singer Semasi Amam Tawari Pabiro Aduga donate to you a go karting a sequoy Handagi pen Handaki Sahi Sida Koi Hapsin Zare Arwena Akogi Angang Sing Amadi Inkala even Naharon Sing a Sigi Veldi Yamna Mayana Pamnaba Adugumba Ipenama Wiganena Koi Kali.
Mate Tribe Union MTU General Headquarters and Mate Students Organization MSO General Headquarters Technopol in a press release uploaded Chief Minister Nongthoma Mirain on being chosen as the best Chief Minister of National Democratic Alliance NDA-led state government. Nongmaibung Women's Development Mairapai Association Nongmaibung Makong observed its 34th Foundation Day today. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Wangkai Okram Henry called on Mairapai members to be in sync with modern times to combat various prevalent crimes. Okram Henry lauded the contribution of Mairapai and called on everyone to remember their contributions at all times. He also urged all the volunteers of Mairapai Association to stay united and alert. Floral tributes were paid to the late executive members of the association and gifts were presented to the elderly members on the occasion. President of Eastern Students Club Nongmaibong and Indrajit, Associate Professor of Imphal College R.K. Itocha, Headmistress of Rashtra Lipi High School K.H. Sunita and many people in the area attended the event.
Ima mayan gi role matam gi matong gi na no gi henkat ai ngasi ima mai mayam lengjin bi na ison gi mafam da kat pa chak manana ima sing da kat pi khaba mayam sing da ima sing sina isa gi atin matam kai thok pi dana ngasi si on bi pagaloina na lekai sta da kari karai da soi khida ge na sena bi ram no mayam sing ngasi ikai khum na da puddi ba sing sina ngasi tawri ba khara sina kesu matik chaga da bunate hojikti mayam ne na khang bi nuai crime se aduki matik chakholak pa gi matong ni na Now I'm at the moment the Pataba Ransin Tabakse, Nundang, the Torame, Hosik Yungin Phone, the mobile or Comatam, Bible Mams, so Kamaga Maga Pau, Honaga, Karaka is why he gets a communication crime labor, the car or a Comatam.
3-month yoga training program organized by Malom Tulihal Awang Laikai, Patanjali Yoga Center and Bharat Swabiman Trust and Patanjali Yoga Samiti Imphal West at Malom Tulihal Awang Laikai has concluded and trainees were felicitated with certificates today. The closing ceremony was held at Liningthau Kunja Chauba Community Hall in Malom Tulihal Awang Laikai. Speaking in the event, MLA Nauria Pakhang Lakpa Soibam Subhash Chandra appealed to individuals who have completed yoga training to continue practicing yoga in day-to-day life.
Training certificate yoga topati tawidaba makata na dumak yoga si tawdana sinu sana nada yekana sandale ramba na ye punamak roina yoga si yang diabetes ki nogi wakal mind and tawdana ba silent lene na tu yang tu punamak tu yoga si oile yawina.
Service provider Garden Care organized a program for Farmers Interest Group FIG members on mobilization of FIZ at Thuizang Youth Young Scout Club in Thuizang. Sangaitel Thuizang Organic Farming Group 2 and Sangaitel Thuizang Organic Farming Group 3 members attended the training program held under the aegis of Mission Organic Value Chain Development Northeastern Region Agriculture. Experts stressed on the importance of strengthening FIG, steps for organic farming, cropping cutting pattern, preparation of organic input and recording data, etc. Brand Ambassador of EUM and Impact News editor Raj Nongthombam has launched a tiles and flooring items retail shop named EUM at Keshamthong Hodam Lairak Machin today. Tiles, laminated floor, vinyl floor, artificial grass, engineer wood and various other flooring items will be available in the shop. Speaking on the occasion, EUM Professor Ravindra Khamnam said the outlet was launched to provide a never-seen-before transformation in construction of houses in the state. He said various flooring items of RAK Tiles company will be available in the retail shop.
The main aim the EUM EUM mama sagat pagi aim da aikoina hogdok jabani store se aduga loinana aikoigi semit loan ama semkat pada samaj sida aikoina kariguma mateng khara pangbanga madi habagi aim da tawjabani store se.
Manipur Literary Society conducted poetry recitation program entitled Nungshi Sairol Saitha at Manipur Hindi Parishad All Assembly Road today. Convener of Manipur Language Board, Saitha Academy, New Delhi, Nongmaithim Kiran Kumar graced the event as the chief guest. Theatre Centre Manipur observed a theatre day at the hall of Manipur Dramatic Union in Yeshkul Police Lane today. 3 individuals were conferred with a Theatre Centre Award on the occasion. Dr. N. Premchand was conferred with a Lalit Ningshin Khudol Award 2018. Cosmo Award 2018 went to Kakching Tabam Birahari and Ibe Chaubi Ningsing Khudol 2018 was presented to renowned Manipuri film artist Ilangbam Indu. Lamlai Constituency social worker and a member of Lamlai Kendra Development Committee, Achoibam Deben, proclaimed himself as contending candidate of Lamlai Constituency in the upcoming Manipur Bidhan Sabha election. Launching his election campaign, Deven lamented that many of the former MLAs and cabinet members of the constituency failed to undertake any developmental activities. He stated that he has been undertaking various developmental activities in the area in collaboration with Lamlai Kendra Development Committee. Deben said he took the decision to engage in the upcoming election with the immense support from the committee and people of the constituency.
By election laga jo ichoi na mire boiragani chahi kumanga kuntaru political yorok pache lamai kenda gida pawanda tawda ka gi ba mayam sina lamai kenda si yam sothare yam chawkhatare ongdadi miyam da Manipur da laiba kenda mayam jidagi kirang chawkhat bo hen ga.
Laishram Radhakishore Support Committee Irengbam held a reception program for MLA Oinam Kam Chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board L. Radhakishore at Irengbam Makha Maning Laikai today. Speaking on the occasion, Radhakishore assured of converting Irengbam village into a model village. He further assured of providing safe drinking water to every household in the constituency by 2019, keeping in line with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision to provide safe drinking water to every household by 2022.
Ngakong Kolen, Ngakong Sipai, Ngaksopopi, Kaino, Ngakong Kono, Yamnam Kono, March ending the Equation Pitakani, Loinana, Lemhoriba, Masida Sir Home Topagi, Ani Equi Kavartore, Chatliba 2018-19 the day, Equi closing ship over the day, when I'm Kendrigi when a day, Yumtongi Sing people say, minimum the 90% the Sing Pitakangani, 18-19 gi by the ending of the March, Masida Sing Pinanaba. Manipur Sarkar kisu pandam thami masi suksoi soidana ngamgani.
All Manipur Minorities Anti-Corruption and Development Organization has donated 1 lakh rupees towards Chief Minister's Relief Fund. Representatives of the organization handed over the amount to Chief Minister N. Biren at Chief Minister's Secretariat yesterday. Chief Minister Biren expressed his profound gratitude to the organization for their generosity. Now the news from the world of sports. Education Minister and President of Manipur Olympic Association T.H. Radhesham has announced that Manipur Olympic Association MOA will host the first Northeast Olympic Games from October 24 to 28. The minister also launched an official website of the Olympic Games, www.neolympicgames.com, today. Briefing media at Olympic House Khuman Lampak, Minister Radhesham said 8 Northeast states will participate in the games of altogether 12 events. He also said the newly launched website will provide facility for online registration, accreditation, result updates, live streaming, etc. The minister appealed not to call any ban or blockade during the Olympic Games.
Event try to take to oil is carigino haina haizabakanda competition to wakanda team masing team ani khatang lakpa hung khatang lakpa taba event akoi north east ki state sing masanda event sing je akoi thanamaga team yam lakpa competitive oiba adugumba event sing lu khanalaga akoi event try to akoi thamjabani official sing je amna akoi north east dagi official sing mapan gi swai dagi official sing na tawgani aduga competitive oigadawa khara yetna ga dob leiba jaga sina akoi mapan dagi official khara ma akoi na kaujaraga aduga yetna bu khona ba leitana yam phajana tawna ba ihan han masu oibana masi akoi tawjabani adu.
Football kits were distributed to footballers of Football Club Neroka FC and tickets for Hero I-League 2018-19 were launched at the Dynasty Hall of Hotel Classic Grand today. Taking part in the program, coaches and officials of Neroka FC encouraged the players to mark the upcoming matches a worthwhile season. Neroka FC will open the bid against East Bengal FC on October 27 at 2 in the afternoon at Khuman Lampak Men's Stadium. Goalkeeper and captain Lalit Thapa vowed to work hard along with the team members to bring the league's winning trophy. It may be recalled that Neroka FC was placed second position while competing in the I-League for the first time last year. Moreover, East Bengal FC emerged champions in many of the earlier league matches. Meanwhile, Neroka FC also recruited famous I-League Japanese footballer Katsumi Yusa and one more foreign player amongst the young excellent players of Manipur. National Sports University NSU's team comprising of 20 sportspersons has left Imphal to participate for the first time in All India University Sports today. The team of footballers led by coach Anuj Pratap Singh will be participating in the ongoing East Zone Football Championship at Sambalpur University in Odisha. It may be mentioned that the Sports University has managed to gain 97 sportspersons after its inaugural on January 16 last year. Extramural in charge of NSU, Dr. Amrita Sen Singh, intimated that all the sportspersons of the university will participate in altogether 18 different events in various tournaments for this year. Veteran football team of Manipur, Sagolban United, will leave Imphal tomorrow to participate in the 38th All India Governors Gold Cup International Football Tournament. Sagolban United announced their squad of 25 footballers, 3 coaches and 3 officials during a press meet held at the residence of MLA Sagolban R.K. Imo, who is also the chief patron of Sagolban United today. Former captain of Indian football team P. Ranady will lead the team as chief coach, while AFCC licensee footballer C.H. Chitra Sen and former national footballer and AFCD licensee Nganinmi Simra as co-assistant coaches. 11 veteran football clubs of India and 1 Nepal team will compete in the tournament organized by Sikkim Football Association under the aegis of All India Football Federation at Pazor Stadium in Sikkim from October 23rd to November 3rd. Sagolban United will meet Sikkim Akraman FC during their pre-quarter-final bid on October 25th. SU President R.K. Momoja, Vice President T.H. Swaranjit and officials of the football team attended the press meet.
Sagolban United su handaki leiba Sikkim Gold Cup tsalaga aduga subsequently ate tournament mayam se yauraga akoi Manipur da players afaba mayam korakpa aduga players naminai ba koi leiba indigenous players mayam se masi su ji hagi baduni national team da handak marasi khara uba ngam da base masi tung da next few years ta mu ground level lagi mayam samdana ma pamu dimakta club dimakta semgala aga sungsoi soidana koi indigenous players mayam koi Manipuri players mayam su koi tung da muka hena koi ball se develop toba game habsida koi mayam si pulap changsan minaraga without any political biasness yaudana masi khona minaradi I am sure laiba koi players mayam sawkhat porakani game gisu sawkhat porakani.
And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. President of Myanmar India Trade Chamber of Commerce, Tamu Kale Kalewa, resents checking of Myanmaris travelling legally to Manipur at every Assam Rifles checkpost. State gears up for a Grand Mera Hokchongba Festival 2018. Plans underway for grander celebration next year. State observes Global Iodine Deficiency Prevention Day 2018. Health Minister L. Jayantakumar urges people to know the benefit of iodine intake. And marine communities celebrate a free harvest festival Lam Kalai with traditional fervour and gaiety.